Robert's got a quick hand. He'll look around the room, he won't tell you his plan. He's got a rolled cigarette hanging out his mouth. He's a cowboy kid, yeah. He found a 6-shooter gun in his dad's closet with a box of fun things. I don't even know why, but he's coming for you, yeah, he's coming for you. All the other kids with the pump-top kicks, you better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with the pump-top kicks, you better run, faster than my bullet. All the other kids with the pump-top kicks, you better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with the pump-top kicks, you better run, faster than my bullet. Daddy works a long day, he'll be coming home late, and he's coming home late, and he's bringing me a surprise. Cause dinner's in the kitchen and it's packed in ice. I've waited for a long time. Yeah, the slide of my hand is now a quick pull trigger. I reason with my cigarette and say your hair's on the fire, you must have lost your wits, yeah. All the other kids with the pump-top kicks, you better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with the pump-top kicks, you better run, faster than my bullet. All the other kids with the pump-top kicks, you better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with the pump-top kicks, you better run, faster than my bullet. Run, faster than my bullet. All the other kids with the pump-top kicks, you better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with the pump-top kicks, run, faster than my bullet. All the other kids with the pump-top kicks, you better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with the pump-top kicks, you better run, faster than my bullet. All the other kids with the